Hello, my name's David Powers with the Senior Solution, where we specialize in helping people find the best Medicare plans for their needs. And I'm making this video to give some good information that's going to save a lot of money if you currently have a Plan F, or if you're looking into a Medicare supplement plan, why you need to be looking into a Plan G. Now, if you've been on a Medicare supplement plan for a while, you know that each year to expect a rate increase. And over time, these increases can cause a big impact on how you live, especially if you're on a fixed income. And good thing if you're looking for a good choice that's a real good balance to keep the doctor bills away and keep the costs down. The Medicare Supplement Plan G is exactly what you need to be looking for. Now, the best thing that I love most about these supplement plans is that they're standardized. So if you already have a Plan G, you don't have to worry about losing any benefits since they all offer the same thing with each carrier. The only difference is going to be the price. Now look here at what it says in the Medicare and You book. It says here, all plans offer the same basic benefits, but some offer additional benefits so you can choose which one meets your needs. So many people a few years back, they were able to sign up for a Plan F. Since then, that's been put on the shelf. So if you're new to Medicare or you don't have a Plan F, you won't be able to sign up for them. But if you already have them, they're guaranteed renewable. So you can still shop around for different carriers and find that best plan for you if you have a Plan F. But you definitely want to look into a Plan G. And the reason why is because if you look at them side by side here on the chart, you're going to see the only real difference is that Part B deductible, that $203 it's going to be in 2021. So you're going to be responsible for the monthly premium, which is going to be much lower than a Plan F, and that first $203 for the year. After that, it's going to work exactly the same as a Plan F. Now, if you were to look at the monthly payment of a Plan F each year and compare that to a Plan G, even with that deductible of $203 for the Medicare Part B, the Plan G is still going to save a good amount of money for you. And this can be a huge game changer for someone that's looking to save money and not lose out on coverage. Now, if you do have a Plan F and you want to shop around or you want to look into a Plan G, or if you're in a Plan G and you want to look into other carriers and see if you can save money there, give us a call there at my phone number, and my email address is there as well. Also in the link below in the description is going to have a link to our website, so you can book an appointment there and even look up some other additional information there and answer any questions you may have. All right, thank you so much for your time, and you have a great day.